the relationship between elements in this first problem is that xy bisects AB at point M. So the only segment that's being bisected here is segment AB, and it's being bisected at point M. And it doesn't specifically say how the segment that's doing the bisecting xy is related. So it's possible that xm and my are equal to each other, but there's no specific requirements that that's true. However, because xy is bisecting AB, you do know that AM and MB have to be equal to each other. So the only relationships that you know in these is going to be that xm plus my is equal to xy, so we know that by segment addition. We know that am plus mb is equal to ab by segment addition. Then we also know that am is equal to mb by definition of bisect. So when we look at the different problems, first in A tells you that if AB is 12, so if that whole length is 12, and they asked you what is the length AM, well, since we know that we can use this equation right here, that AM plus MB is equal to 12, we can substitute that directly in. Well, we also know that MB is equal to AM, so AM plus, we can substitute in AM for MB using substitution, and then just combine these. 2 times AM is equal to 12, divide by 2, and we get AM is equal to 6. For part B, it says if MB is equal to 12, so if you know that MB is equal to 12, and you want to solve for AB, well, we can use this relationship again, that AM plus MB is equal to AB. MB is 12, so we can substitute that in. AM is equal to MB, so that's also a 12, and so that means that AB is going to be 24 in that case. In C, we're told that AB has a length that's given as x, and so it asks what is AM. Well, when you look at this, AM is going to be exactly 1/2 of AB. Therefore, AM is going to equal 1/2 of, and we just substitute in x, and we get our solution. In D, you're told that MB is equal to x. So if MB is equal to x, then that means AM is also equal to x. Therefore, AB is going to equal x plus x, or 2x. The next choice, AB, is given as the expression x minus 2, and we want to solve for AM. Well, again, AM is exactly 1/2 of AB. Therefore, if we just take half of this expression, substitute in x minus 2, that binomial, for AB, and we get our expression. And then finally, if we were told that MB is equal to x minus 2, and we wanted to solve for AB, again, MB is half of AB, or in this case, AB is equal to AM plus MB. Well, since AM is equivalent to MB, we get AB is double the length of MB. And so if MB is given by the expression x minus 2, that means that AB is twice that. So just 2 times the quantity x minus 2 would be the expression for AB.